So over here you can see that I have, let's say for example, Google Maps opened up right here. And let's say I want a list of attractions in this particular area. So I'm just going to go around over here and say attractions right here, just like this, and press enter. And it lists out the various attractions as you can see. So what I can actually do is by utilizing Thunderbit right here, I can go ahead and scrape off this data as well. So I can see that I have Google Maps opened up, and you can see that it says current page right here, just like this. And now I'm simply going to go ahead and click on next. And the pagination right here is infinite scroll. So I'm just going to go for infinite scroll right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and let's say for example max, it is going to be, let's say for example 150 right here with infinite scroll. Now let me just go ahead and click on next right here, and it says use pre-built scraper to scrape this page. So I'm just going to go ahead and utilize pre-built scraper right here, just like this. So there's the Google Maps search result with pricing, type, and phone number and status right here. So now I can utilize this or create out my own scraper template as well. But let me just select this and hit the run button. So once you do that, it goes ahead and fetches out the data as you can see right here. So now AI is taking control of the browser and it is processing out the data right here. So you can see it's processing 9, 10 out of 120 data right here. And it is actually scraping to the Google Maps right here with the results that it is getting right here, just like this. So you just need to go ahead and then wait until it finishes off the scraping process. And now you can see that this has been complete. And now if you were to go ahead and open up the results table, now you got all of the tourist attractions right here scraped off from Google Map right here, just like this. So that is basically how you can go ahead and then scrape out Google Map data inside of Thunderbit. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe